Hey, it's Chris with CKR, and I'm here today to show you about a wonderful solar system that we are installing currently. Obviously, we've gone with the Sol-Ark 15 kW because that's giving us whole home backup. And for this property, you know, this is a country property, so there's a meter we're actually replacing with a sub panel so that the entire system can be backed up with this one solar system. So the shed, the stable, and the home is all being backed up with one system. And you know, one of the benefits of the Sol-Ark is just that sort of expandability with the home grid batteries, you know, being able to add more as time goes on. Customer really does not use a ton of power. Like, it is a very small annual usage. So we've just done a small system to start off with, and then hopefully, you know, by combining the two electrical services, you know, we'll be able to eliminate most of that energy bill. And also, by removing that second meter, reducing their monthly charge from the utility company, right? They have a minimum fee, and so by combining those two meters, you're getting this holistic approach to energy where you're only paying that one fee for the meter, and you're producing enough energy to offset the usage for the entire property. And then obviously with the backup, you know, there's not a ton of loads on there, but being able to, you know, make sure during the day, a customer can still use their workshop, you know, all their tools, and then, you know, at night they need to turn the air conditioner on. This is the 15K, has that 200 amp pass through, and it does allow you to have up to 16 of the home grid batteries on one. There's not many customers that start off that way, but we have found that over time people do like to expand their storage capacity, and definitely makes it easy to do so. All in all, a really nice system. Not super huge. Not every solar system has to be, you know, 30 or 40 panels. So we use some really high efficiency modules for this one. It's much smaller. It's an 8 kW, but you know, we've obviously oversized the inverter so that they have that expansion capacity and are able to generate power and you know, offset their utility costs.